What's up, guys? I'm Rasim from RosmerTech.com, and this is another tutorial in Swift programming. Now, in this class, I'm going to talk about constant values or constant variables. So let's get started. In my last video, I showed you guys how to declare a variable, the different data types, and how you can assign different values to different variables, right? In this class, I'm going to talk about constants, how you can create a constant variable that never changes. So let's get started. Let's maximize this here. So the first thing we're going to want to do is use the let instruction. The let creates a constant value or a constant variable. That's the code that tells the program that you're about to create a constant value or a constant variable. Now we got to hit space. We got to give our variable a name. I'll call mine red, right? Now let's make it equal to a string, right? So a set of double quotes. You don't need a semicolon. So let's give it a string. Let's say this is a string, right? Doesn't make a difference. So it prints out this is a string. So this is a constant. Once we use this keyword here, let, it tells the program that the variable name next to it is a constant value, and the value we assign to it cannot be changed. I'll give you an example. So let's try to change the value of red. Let's say red equals, let's give it a new string value. Let's give it a string value of blue, right? So we got an error message here. Once I click on this error message, it's telling me cannot assign let value red because it's a constant value. So that's pretty cool, right? So let's try another data type. Let's try a integer. Again, an integer is a number without a decimal place, a whole number without a decimal place. So let's give it a value of, let's say, 500, right? This is an integer, has no decimal place. And we don't use any single or double quote. So if we use a single or double quote, it would be a string. But since it doesn't have a single or double quote, it is a integer. If I added a 0.5 or 0.6 or whatever, it instantly turned it into a double. So let's delete that. So now we declared a constant value, right? And our variable name is red, and we give it a value of 500. Now let's see if we can change the value of red. Let's say red equals red. Oops, let's go back. Red equals red plus 1. Again, we don't need any semicolons because in this programming language, they're not needed. In all the others, you do need semicolons. So again, I got an error message. Once I click on it, cannot assign to let value because it is a constant value, right? So that's pretty cool. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys liked this video, please give me a like. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. I'm Rasim from RosmerTech.com, and thanks for watching.